Let's kick things off with a food that's not only delicious but also packs a powerful punch against brain plaque: walnuts. You know, those wrinkly little nuts that resemble the very organ they benefit? Well, that's no coincidence. Walnuts are abundant in a type of omega-3 fatty acid called DHA, which is like a brain-boosting superhero. DHA plays a crucial role in maintaining the structural integrity of your brain cells, ensuring those signals zip along those neural pathways without a hitch. But here's the real kicker. Walnuts have also been linked to reducing beta amyloid levels in the brain. Now, beta amyloid is a sticky protein that tends to clump together, forming those dreaded plaques we often associate with Alzheimer's disease. By incorporating walnuts into your diet, you're essentially giving your brain a fighting chance to clear out those harmful buildups and maintain its cognitive prowess. Think of it this way: every time you crunch down on a walnut, imagine those powerful nutrients going straight to your brain, fighting off those plaques and keeping your mind sharp. And the best part, they're incredibly versatile. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to your trail mix, or just enjoy a handful as a satisfying snack. Your brain will thank you for it. Mighty brain protectors is key, but enjoying dark chocolate as part of a balanced diet can be a delicious way to support your brain health. Omega-3s, boosting benefits firsthand. These are endless. So embrace the power of this golden spice and give your brain the protection it deserves. There you have it, folks. 7 superfoods that can make a world of difference for your brain health. Remember, taking care of your brain is an investment in your future well-being. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you're giving your brain the nutritional support it needs to thrive. Start small, experiment with different recipes, and find what works best for you. Every step you take towards a healthier brain is a step towards a healthier, happier you. Like and share this video with your loved ones so we can all embark on this journey towards better brain health together.